Hey folks, sorry for the delay. I've been having some things going on in my real life, but hopefully most of those have been sorted out. But in the meantime, I'm back. So this was sent to me by the maintenance man. He had toasted it in one of his other videos, and I am going to be linking that right up in there somewhere-ish. So let's get into it. So let's see what we got. Ah, look. It's not a Milwaukee. This is that little 25 volt. Yeah, quote unquote 25 volt. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, we're gonna see. A couple batteries. Get this off to the side here a bit. Okay. Well, let's see what we got. Looks like we got a standard AC DC adapter, universal voltage, universal hertz, outputs 21 volts. Yeah, that automatically tells me this is not a 25 volt battery. And they are, and we'll also see if it really is a 2.2 amp hour inside as well. So let's have some fun. Let's see, get this wrapped up off to the side. Yeah, set it right there. Whatever. Okay. Let's see. Are they going to be the? I believe they're going to be the same. Yep, that's going to be the same. Okay. Let's just work on cracking everything open at once. Then we'll just go through it all at once. Oops. Sorry about that. Bumped the camera on you. I gotta love a lot of screws. But I really like it when they're all the same size and all the same head usage. I don't know. Using a power tool to take apart a power tool seems a little carnivorous, but all the better. Well, that's held under a little bit of pressure. Oh, that's very simple. Set this off to the side there. Let's see. Yeah, very simple to take apart. Set these off to the side. Try to know which way goes where. This is the way I took it out. Okay. This is going to be a fun one to go through. As you can tell, nothing is really marked, other than it says it's 25 volt, 2.2 amp hour. I think he said he picked this up off of Amazon, I think. I don't remember how much. That'll be listed in the video that I linked earlier in that card. I'll also link it down in the description below. And for starters, Maintenance Man, I thank you so much for being able to send this to me. I am so sorry it's taken so long to get this up. But as you can tell, we are on it now. Okay. Now let's see what we got. Oh, that's simple. He was mentioning about how it wasn't breathing very well, that when he looked at it, there wasn't any vents. As you can hopefully see from the light. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light in there. There doesn't appear to be any, but let's take a closer look. Looks are always deceiving. Let's see. What about from the other way? Looks like we might have some. Here, let me turn off that light a bit. Looks like there is some a little bit. We'll work on getting those cleaned up. Try to get it to breathe a little bit better. Chances are it's going to be like that on both sides. Yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of a vent input right along up in here too. So it looks like this might be the input. And these are the outs. But let's get this thing taken apart further and go from there. Very simple. Doesn't look like it has very much in the way of electronics, if any. If they are, they're all going to be in here. That was fairly simple. I think he picked it up for just a little bit of money. Okay, this is the other side. Let's see if we got anything going on over here. Trying to get it to show up on camera for you. It looks like there is some, but it doesn't look very well. So I guess we'll try to clean those up. Try to get it to hopefully breathe a little bit better so I can send it back out to him so he can still use it. It looks like there's some more vent holes right along up in here and down in here. Let's see. The main deal, battery pack. Yeah, 5-cell. Let's see what we got there. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on that. .7 volts times 5 cells. Yeah, that's only 18.5. 1500 mAh. Yeah, this is short by 700 mAh. This is not a 2.2 amp hour battery. Not at all. This is where the charging port is, thanks to the other part right there. And it looks like it has very, very, very basic load balancing. Yeah, let's get some light going again. Not very much at all, so very basic pack. No name. Yep, no name. I'll do a little bit of research here in just a little bit, see what I can come up with. And let's see. Trying to figure out how they classify this as a 25 volt. Let's see, what is that? Okay. Yeah, we'll figure out where that goes. Not much to it. Oh, let's see. Oh, can we see that? Can you see that? Let me see if I can get some light on it to show you guys. Trying to get it to show up. I'm hoping that shows up okay for you. If not, I'll take some pictures. But to me, that reads RS550 18V 6034L. Okay, I'll also take pictures just to verify that. So yeah, 18 volt motor, 18 volt battery pack, Still trying to find out where they're doing this. He said it was toasted, but let's see if we got a little bit of power going on. Yep, still works. Okay, a little bit of a light, supposedly an LED light. Doesn't look like it would be very powerful or very bright. Let's see what else we got. There's something on here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Sorry about that. I can't see it very well on the monitor. So yeah, hold on. Let me take some pictures and I'll go through this a little bit more. Hold on. Be right back. And I'm back. Did some cleaning and a little bit of research as I was off camera. Cleaned up the vents in these a little bit with the curved X-Acto knife-ish type thing. Well, at least they can hopefully breathe a little bit better. It's definitely got the holes opened up a lot more than they were. Some of them were almost flat out closed. But on with the info. Okay, these are the batteries. Great Power Battery Company Limited. $2.2 a piece. But that was for a 2200 mAh. These are 1500, so chances are $2 a piece. So the pack costs $10 each to make. Here's they are lithium ion. Man, I can't speak today. High drain battery according to that website. The ICR 1860 50p. 3.7, 1500 typical, 1450 nominal. Yeah, 33 grams each. Okay. And here is the motor. That is an RS 550-18V 6034L. I wasn't able to find much on this. I tried Googling it and I only got like 4 hits. 2 of them were out of Vietnam. So apparently it's a really generic battery. Sorry, a really generic motor. But here's the interesting one. This is on the switch. I think we found out where they're classifying this as a 25 volt tool. It can handle 7.2 to 24, 16 amps. It gives a part number. Really didn't look at that much. Didn't really look into finding out that one as well. But this right here, this is probably their entire basis for calling it a 25 volt system. So yeah, as you can tell, 25 volt, 18.5 volt pack. Yeah, I see how that works. Yep, sure, okay. Everything else is 18. So if the switch is considered 24, yeah, I guess it's a 25 volt tool. Gotta love marketing nowadays. Well, there you guys have it. 25 volt tool. And let me get this back together and I'll hopefully get it working before signing off on you guys. Be right back. And we're back again. Yep. It's back together, all in one piece. Well, several pieces put together. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I really don't like that. The light only works when it's pulled, but what do you expect? It's a very cheap drill. Well, there you go. You guys can thank the maintenance man for sending this to me so I can be able to take it apart and show you guys on camera what's in it, or rather what's not in it. In case you might have missed it, I'm gonna put a link to the video right up here again, so you guys can go check it out. Apparently he thought he had smoked it, just needed a little bit of time for rest, and hopefully it should work a lot better now for him, especially since those vents are now cleaned. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.